Hello everyone, good morning, or I don't know what time in your place right now, but here it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I just came from the Napier to dig the soil, but it's still dry, dry. But for our Napier grass, this is our grass for the goats. But it's dry also the soil, but because we water every day, so it's not it's a little bit wet close to the roots of the Napiers. Hi honey. And this is where I started and Christian started on the other side there. We try to help the Napier so that the water that we put every day can reach the roots, because it's really hard. So Christian placed an order to buy a micro tiller, so we will see later if we can do something with the machine here. So as you can see, as I have said in my last video, these are the Napier grass that we bought online, the stems we bought online. So as you can see, they are purple, and this growing will be the third cutting soon, since we bought them. We harvested 2 times already from this rows. Look at the job of Christian here. It's not hardened. It's very it's very wet.
Oh, very wet. I wear my boots because
you wear your boots. It's a big flood. You see that? But the Napiers are happy. We water them every day, and then like this, the water can at least touch the roots. Maybe. And our goats here are always waiting for some grass coming from here, and roots, mostly roots. You see, they eat the roots also. Hi, me. Good morning. The 2 other goats are there looking for leaves. Wow. Christian works like a tractor. You work like a tractor, honey. We collected plenty stones on this area, mostly there on the beginning. Here it's not too many stones here, no?
No.
Unlike there on the start. But the Napier grow nice. Purple, this one. You see that this will be our 3rd harvest, ano? Since we planted the stems. Eat. She is so afraid to get the grass on the fence. The male will get. Be careful! Coffee na, honey? But we have an audience over there on the other side of the fence. Cheryl is there. Did you know what, Han? She is reading a book now. She is reading a book. It's her library there. Good morning. Say good morning. Oh, no. Huh? Good morning. Where have you been? Where have you been? Huh? Smells. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for watching our videos. It's just a simple life. What we do here in our place. We are here in Bohol, Philippines. So let's take a look on my neighbor. Cheryl is an autistic child of Atibaday, but as she grew older, she learned many things. Hi, Rel. So it's dry and the goats drink water fast. Every day they finished more than one of this bucket. Drink. Hi. Cheryl, nag-unsa ka? Halaril na ay chicken. Nag-unsa ka? Assignment? Asa ba? Na kay assignment? Kang kinsa man na notebook. Naamang kay planggana. Ang bidobi imong notebook. Patanawa ko. Hagay! Ambi ko na. She is showing me her notes. What is this? Listahan mo ni sa utang, Rel. Byron non lubi. Labor, gross, and oil. Kuhaan niyo. Nano yung manang gidala? Ikaw niya pa Byron, ana. Kamama na ni mo? Good morning, Teddy Bear. Good morning, Teddy Bear. Good morning, love, Teddy Bear. Morning. Asa mong mama? Nilakaw? Bibiyaan ka? Naghilak ka? You cry? No? Ikaw ang suwata na? Basahan ko na. A, B, C, D, E. She looks always interested to read. Sometimes she carry books. Asa naman ang mga libro? Nagikuha ng kuya? Askan kuya. Nga nang gikuha man niya. Kisa ron. Si? Kisa? Papa? Diha lang ka? Ato na si mama. Bye-bye. Naaday si ma'am dira ay. She can always see me from the kitchen. This is the field that they burn and clean. That is back of our hill as I have shown on the last video. Bye-bye. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.